Here are five fatal mistakes that could cost you your life. Don't make them. 1. Using castor oil internally without proper guidance. Castor oil contains a powerful compound called ricinoleic acid, which acts as a strong laxative. Ingesting even small amounts of the wrong type, especially non-food grade castor oil, can cause severe diarrhea, abdominal cramping, nausea, and dehydration. In extreme cases, it can lead to electrolyte imbalance and organ stress. Only use food grade castor oil internally and always under medical supervision. Never self medicate. 2. Applying castor oil directly to broken or irritated skin. Though castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties, applying it to cuts, open wounds, or eczema flare-up can backfire. It can trap bacteria, worsen infection, or cause burning sensations due to its thick texture and detoxifying nature. Only apply on clean, intact skin and avoid areas with active inflammation or sensitivity. 3. Using castor oil near the eyes. Using castor oil too close to the eyes for lash or under eye treatment can result in blurry vision, redness, and even pink eye, which is also known as conjunctivitis. A little sleep can cause eye irritation, especially if the oil is not sterile. Use a clean applicator. Apply only to the lash line and avoid direct contact with the eyeball. 4. Not doing a patch test before use. Despite being natural, castor oil can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. Symptoms include itchiness, redness, swelling, and in rare cases, hives or anaphylaxis. Apply a small amount behind your ear or inner elbow. Wait 24 hours to monitor for reactions before full use. 5. Using low quality hexane extracted castor oil. Some commercially available castor oils are processed using hexane, a toxic chemical that can leave harmful residues. These oils are often refined, deodorized, and stripped of natural benefits. Always choose cold pressed, hexane free organic castor oil. Read labels carefully to ensure purity and safety. 6. Overusing it on hair and scalp. Castor oil is extremely thick and can clog scalp pores, cause buildup, and suffocate hair follicles if used excessively or without proper cleansing. This may lead to hair fall or scalp acne. Use it 1 to 2 times per week and mix it with lighter oils like coconut or argan for easier application and better absorption. 7. Ignoring medical contraindications. Castor oil should be avoided by pregnant women as it can stimulate uterine contractions and potentially trigger premature labor. It can also interfere with blood pressure, diabetes, or diuretic medications. Always consult your doctor if you have a medical condition or are taking medications before using castor oil regularly. 8. Leaving castor oil packs on overnight. Castor oil packs are amazing for liver detox and inflammation, but leaving them on for too long, especially overnight, can cause skin irritation, staining of clothes or sheets, or overstimulation of detox pathways, leading to fatigue or headaches. Stick to 30 to 45 minutes. Use a clean cotton flannel and protect your skin with a thin layer of coconut oil underneath if needed. 9. Using castor oil daily for detoxing. Daily detoxing with castor oil, internally or through packs, can overload your liver, disrupt hormones, and deplete nutrients. Your body needs time to process and eliminate toxins. Use castor oil packs 2 to 3 times per week maximum and support detox with hydration, fiber, and rest. 10. Not drinking enough water after using it. Castor oil activates the lymphatic system and detox organs. Without proper hydration, toxins can circulate longer in your system, causing fatigue, headaches, and sluggishness. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of clean water the day you use castor oil to help flush toxins and support gentle elimination. Storing castor oil incorrectly. Castor oil can go rancid if stored improperly. Exposure to direct sunlight, heat, or air can degrade its nutrients and cause it to oxidize, reducing its effectiveness and increasing the risk of skin irritation. Store your castor oil in a dark glass bottle in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight and moisture. 12. Using it as a quick fix instead of addressing root causes. Many people apply castor oil hoping for overnight results for issues like hair loss, constipation, or inflammation. But castor oil is not a miracle cure. It works best as part of a holistic approach that includes diet, lifestyle, and hydration. Use castor oil to support your healing journey, but don't ignore underlying health issues that need deeper attention. 13. Not cleaning up the oil properly after use. Because castor oil is thick and sticky, failing to remove it properly after use, especially from the scalp or skin, can lead to clogged pores, breakout, or residue built up on the scalp. Use a gentle shampoo or oil cleanser to break down the oil and rinse thoroughly. For skin, wipe with a warm, damp cloth after use. If you have watched up to this point, I am so grateful to you. I am thankful for the time spent to watch this video. If you are here to subscribe, please take out just a few seconds to do so. I will really, really appreciate it. And don't forget to like the video because this is what encourages and supports me to keep doing it. Also, if you want to be among the beautiful members of this channel, please feel free to join the membership, as that is another way you can support me. And whenever the hearts are playing, please don't skip it. I love you all and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.